In this video, I'll show you how to reset your YouTube feed. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial to follow. Before we continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps out a lot and means so much. Now, your YouTube feed is the homepage that shows all the videos recommended to you based on what you've watched before. Over time, these recommendations can become repetitive or filled with videos you're no longer interested in. Maybe you've changed what you like to watch, or you just want to start fresh. Whatever the reason, resetting your feed is simple and only takes a minute. First, open youtube.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the menu on the left-hand side, scroll until you find the section labeled History, then go ahead and click on it. This will open a page where you can see all your previously watched videos in one place. Your YouTube feed is built from this watch history. So to reset your feed completely, you'll need to delete your entire watch history. To do that, look on the right-hand side and click on Manage All History. This will open a new page that shows all your YouTube activity in more detail. From here, scroll down until you find the Delete option. Click on it and choose Delete All Time. You'll be asked to confirm your choice. Simply click Delete again and wait a moment while YouTube clears your history. When it's done, you'll see a message that says Deletion Complete. Click Got It to finish the process. Now, go back to your YouTube homepage and refresh the page. You'll notice that your feed is now completely empty. No recommendations at all. YouTube may display a message that says, "Start watching videos to help us build a feed of videos you love." That means your feed has successfully been reset and you can now start building a brand new one by watching content you actually want to see. If you'd like to keep your feed clean in the future, you can also pause your watch history from the same menu. This stops YouTube from using new videos you watch to influence recommendations. You can turn it back on anytime you want if you change your mind later. And that's how to reset your YouTube feed to start fresh. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please take a moment to drop a like below the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tips and guides. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.